If you've been wanting to slow down but you have no idea where to actually start, this video is for you. I'm not going to tell you to overhaul your whole life or start waking up at 5 a.m. or become a completely different person. I'm just going to give you 10 small, simple things that you can actually try this week. Any one of them could change the feeling of your entire day. Before we get into the list, I just want to say, slow living does not require a perfect life or perfect home. I have 3 kids. Our home is usually not quiet, but slow living isn't about the noise level of your circumstances. It's about the pace that you choose to move through them. So these 10 habits are how I started choosing differently and how you can too. Number 1, don't touch your phone for the first 30 minutes of your morning. This one is first because it might be the single most impactful thing on the list. The moment you pick up your phone in the morning, you hand the first and freshest part of your day over to everyone else's agendas. Social media feeds, emails, newsletters, notifications. Every single thing that I just listed pulls you out of your life and into everyone else's. Try leaving your phone face down for the first 30 minutes of your morning and just take that time for yourself. Get your cup of coffee, read your Bible, pray, or just spend a few quiet minutes sitting by yourself. I think you'll be amazed at how differently your morning feels. Number 2, eat one meal at the table with no screens. We've so normalized eating in front of screens that just sitting together at the table can feel a bit strange at first, but there's something special that happens around the table when there's no distractions. Kids start opening up, conversations happen, you actually taste your food, you actually see the people that you love. So try one meal this week. It doesn't have to be elaborate. A sandwich dinner at the table counts. Number 3, clear one surface completely. Clutter creates noise, not audible noise, but visual noise that your brain is constantly processing in the background. It creates a low-level stress that you might not even notice until it's gone. Pick one surface in your house, kitchen counter, a bathroom shelf, a bedside table, and clear it completely. Remove everything that doesn't belong, wipe it down, leave it simple, and notice how differently that corner of your home feels. And then notice how differently that you feel in it. Number 4, light a candle in the afternoon as a pace signal. This one sounds almost too simple to work, but it really does. The idea is to create a small daily ritual that signals to your brain that the pace of the day is changing. Lighting a candle in the afternoon is like a gentle cue to your body that the rushing part of the day is giving way to something softer. It's not magic, it's just a small intentional act that interrupts the busyness of the day and invites you to breathe. Try it every day for a week and see what happens. Number 5, sit outside for 10 minutes a day with nothing. I mean, no phone, no social media, no podcast, no music, no to-do list running through your head, or at least try. Just you and the outside world for 10 minutes. There's genuine science behind why this works. Nature regulates your nervous system in ways that nothing inside 4 walls can replicate. The sound of the wind, the feeling of the sun, the sight of something green and growing. These things literally calm your body's stress response. 10 minutes outside with nothing is one of the most quietly powerful resets available to you, and it costs absolutely nothing. Number 6, take a slow walk. This has been one of my favorites lately. Not a workout walk, not a podcast walk, just a slow walk, moving your body through the world at a human pace with no destination and no agenda. Walking slowly and quietly is one of the oldest forms of rest there is. It moves your body just enough to shift your mental state without demanding anything from you. Leave your earbuds at home just once this week. Notice what you see. Notice what you hear. Notice how you feel by the time you get back. Number 7, read a physical book for 20 minutes before bed instead of scrolling. Scrolling before bed feels like rest, but it's really not. It stimulates your brain, it exposes you to blue light that disrupts sleep, and fills the last moments of your day with input from everyone else's life. A physical book does the opposite. It focuses your attention on one thing, it slows your reading pace naturally, and it signals to your brain that the day is ending. 20 minutes of reading before bed instead of scrolling will change the quality of your sleep more than almost anything else on this list. Pick a book that feels enjoyable instead of an obligation and keep it on your nightstand so that it's the first thing that you reach for. Number 8, put on music instead of background TV for an afternoon. Background TV noise is one of the most underestimated sources of overstimulation in a home. It creates constant noise and movement in your peripheral vision that keeps your nervous system slightly activated all day long. Try replacing it with music for an afternoon. Choose something peaceful or just something that you love. Notice how the whole feeling of your home shifts. The same tasks feel calmer, the same kids feel easier, the same afternoon feels slower. Music gives your home an atmosphere. Background TV gives it static. Number 9, open your windows and let fresh air into your home. I love this one so much. It sounds simple, but it works immediately and costs nothing. Opening your windows changes the air in your home, brings in natural sounds, connects your inside world to the outside one, does something to the feeling of a room that is hard to explain but impossible to miss. Try opening your windows and letting the outside in. It's one of the fastest ways to reset the atmosphere of your home and your own mood along with it. And number 10, cook one thing from scratch this week. Cooking from scratch forces you to slow down in a way that almost nothing else does. You cannot rush bread dough, you cannot rush a pot of soup. The process of making real food with your own hands pulls you into the present moment, engages your senses, and creates something tangible and nourishing at the end of it. It's one of the most grounding things you can do in a chaotic day. If you want a simple place to start cooking from scratch, I have a guide called Heart to Table, specifically for the mom who wants to build a simple from scratch cooking rhythm, but doesn't know where to begin. That was me a few years ago, so I totally get it. The guide is practical, it's slow, and it's made for real life. I'll link it in the description below. You don't have to do all 10 of these this week. Pick one, just the one that felt most possible when you heard it. Try it every day for a week and notice what shifts. Slow living isn't built in a day. It's built in small, consistent, intentional choices made over time. And every single one of those choices matter. Trust me, you're not too busy for a slower life. You're not too far into the chaos to find your way back to something quieter. It starts with one small thing, and you can start today. I'd love to know which one of these are you going to try this week. Put it in the comments below. I'd love to cheer you on. I'm Michelle, and thanks for stopping by Warm Hearts Cottage. Remember to keep your heart warm, friend. I'll see you next time.